How's it going? My name's Kyle, otherwise known as JCapFX. I'm from New York, and I'm here down in Miami to interview with Angelo with the Funded Trader.
MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you
Project X.
All right, we're back with another podcast, TFT podcast. We're here with Kyle, another trader that's recently gotten paid out.
If you're struggling right now, that doesn't mean you're going to be struggling 5 years from now.
My pops always says, he's like, why do these athletes make all this money? And I'm just like, this is the world we live in. This is, this is economics, this is capitalism.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they have the eyes on them. All right, guys, we're here at the podcast studio. Just interviewed a TFT trader, flew out all the way from New York City. Amazing conversation with him. Can't wait for you guys to hear. We're about to go watch the fights. Garcia versus Davis. Right now, we're gonna do an exclusive viewing party that we're gonna go to. And yeah, let's head over there and check it out. All right, guys, update. We're at the venue and we came super nice, super cool. We came way too early. There's nobody here. Like, it's just us. Guys are super cool. We're gonna slide out though. We're gonna go to Empire, which is a cigar lounge, smoke some cigars. The fight's gonna be on later, 10. They say 8, but I'm an idiot. You know, it starts at like 11. So we're gonna go there and then we're gonna actually hit somewhere else, meet up with some cool people. But yeah, just wanna give you guys an update.
The biggest fight of the year, Gervonta Davis, Ryan Garcia.
You know I'm ballin', usual like Kobe. Ooh, worry about a hater that don't know me. He say that he tough, then that boy gotta show me. Pull up Billy truck, extra pose, and we fold deep. Say my name 3 times like I'm Tony. Diamond VVS, I put baguettes all on my rollie. I ain't never believe nothing that you told me. These niggas keep sneak this and they turn me to my old me.
That's pretty good, but you can let him.
There's the left hook that landed for Garcia, followed by a right, but Tank's coming forward. Down goes Garcia.
Hey, you know what? I feel good though about it because we spent 300. The minimum sum was 1,000.
And you lost 500 on the fight.
And I lost 500 on the fight. But 700 went to the waiters.
Oh, okay.
So they got to split it directly to them.
Oh, all right.
So I'm happy because it didn't go to
That's
the
good.
fucking guy that didn't
Yeah.
let us in originally. It went to them. So good tip for them. Fuck it. Whatever.
It's worth it.
It was worth it, yeah. I was talking to him like, dude, the reality is, I mean, you especially are like one of the top 1% of traders. So it's an honor to have conversation with you.
Thanks for having me out, man.
And like,
Appreciate
I
it.
feel like I don't say it enough, but like, you have the secret sauce.
Thanks,
You know what
man.
I'm saying? And you're on the come up as well, so.
I feel like I'm just getting started though, you know?
Yeah.
I follow a lot of big traders that are trading a lot bigger.
That's
so
the
I'm
mentality,
like,
man. For sure, but having it, like, you guys come out and get an experience.
Appreciate it.
Like the weekend with you guys or just tonight, I mean,
Yeah, this is awesome.
you are
man.
the people that I'm trying to put myself around. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You're the people that are fucking making it happen at the end of the day. Like,
Yeah.
I'm not even just trying to bullshit. There's a lot of people trying to trade on these challenges.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I know.
And not doing too hot.
Yeah, I know.
So, all right, guys. Wrapping up the weekend, listen, any of you guys out there that are traders, you gotta realize these are 2 of the top traders literally in the entire world. I'm not even just saying that. Tens of thousands of people are taking these challenges, and these are 2 of the top traders. It's an honor, like I said to them, for me to be in their presence, literally, let this guy go through, for me to literally be in their presence, it's a fucking honor. Any of you guys out there that are trading TFT challenges in general, fucking keep grinding, keep at it. This could be you guys. I want you guys to come out for the weekend, so best of luck to all of you. Get funded with TFT. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.